These online stores are making millions of dollars from SEO, and I'm going to show you how you can steal that traffic in just 3 simple tweaks. No ads, no agencies, simpler than you ever thought. Let's go. First of all, if you want to steal all that traffic, you need to do a little bit of spying. You need to know what traffic they are getting first. The things that you are looking for when you're doing your spying, you want to understand what keywords they are ranking for, what pages have they got that are up for grabs, and also what is an easy steal for you so that you can grab that sweet juice, or shall I say traffic and sales. Almost every multi-million-dollar online store has a section that can be easily up for grabs, that can easily be yours. So guys, do not underestimate the process of a little bit of spying. I personally use Semrush for research, for spying as to what keywords are up for grabs, what pages, what headlines. You can grab your 14-day trial with the link below. It's instead of 7 days, so it's really extended for you. Number 2 is super easy. You go ahead to their website and start observing all of those pages that you identify that they are up for grabs. What's actually written on those pages? This is your job to do this in step number 2. Okay, so you are looking at headings, you are looking at the words they use, you are looking at words they don't use, and also you are looking at things like how long are their product titles, are their page titles, how long are their product descriptions. And also when you do a Google search, what do you actually see on the search result? Because in other words, if they have a blog about how to clean after a puppy, you make a blog about how to clean after a puppy. If they have a collection with organic cotton, you make a collection with organic cotton. Simple. Okay, number 3, let's get to work and model this, aka do the same. But let me stop you right there. I said model this, don't actually copy paste, okay? I really want you guys to stop copying and pasting. Why? Because that can be identified by Google as actually doing something wrong, and you can go to Google jail. And from Google jail, it's a long way out. Unfortunately, I've been there before and I don't want you guys to do the same. Rather than copying and pasting, instead you're going to prioritize. What's the easiest thing that will have the biggest impact? And you're going to start there. We also call this a domino. What's the one thing that when you knock that down will knock down everything else? If you want to, you can also use some tools that will make this prioritization process easier for you. For example, once again, we use Semrush to help us understand what keywords are the easiest up for grabs, what is the easiest thing to go for to start with. We also use our Ninja Buddy that's based on ChatGPT to help us come up with different descriptions and titles. And we also use our perfect product page formula that helps us really structure that new product page or a collection. I'm dropping all of those links below to make it easy for you. So let me know how you find this video. Let me know if you find this useful. Give it a quick thumbs up and I'll talk to you in the next video. See you then.